Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sienna and my biggest passion is fashion and also beauty, lifestyle, travel, all things beautiful as I like to call it. So this video will be my unboxing and review of the Louis Vuitton 4-ring holder. I recently went to Belgium and decided to treat myself, plus I had something that I needed repaired at Louis Vuitton and I was actually shocked by the repair service, and keep on watching to find out why. So let me first talk about what I had repaired. So I've had the Rosalie coin purse, I think it's called, or coin pouch. Like, to me it's a little wallet, okay, that has everything you need, and it's actually like the most perfect tiny wallet that I've ever found that has everything that I personally need in an everyday wallet for a small bag, of course, because I do carry small bags mostly. So I had this little wallet for several years and I was using it constantly for about 2 years in my bag, pretty much in every bag, every single day. And if you know what it used to look like, it had the little button was in the same leather as it was on the inside. So I have it with the fuchsia leather. And let me just show you. This is my Rosalie coin purse. So it used to have this button, wasn't gold, but it was in the same leather as the inside, which is fuchsia in my case. So obviously what happened after me using it a lot, pretty much almost every single day for like 2 years, the leather started to kind of be scratched on this little button, because obviously, like, you know, in your bag it gets like tossed around and stuff, so no wonder. So then I stopped using it because I didn't want it to get any worse, and we don't have a Louis Vuitton store in my country, so I can't just go and get it repaired at any time. I had to kind of like wait until I go somewhere where they have the store. So this is what it looks like on the inside. If you don't know, it has like, you know, card slots here, like several card slots, like this compartment, and then what is important for me, also a coin pocket that you can put obviously like your coins. So I absolutely love it. Like, I think this is such a good investment because also look how slim it is. So if you're looking for a little wallet that does have a coin compartment also, this is honestly like such a good buy and like such a good investment, really is. But I'm the kind of person who, I take care of my items, but I also do use them. You know, I don't like baby them. I do take care of them, but I also use them. So as I said, the leather was kind of getting scratched, and I didn't like that. I didn't want to use it until I get it fixed, and I didn't want it to get worse. When I was in Brussels visiting my friend, I decided to buy the 4-ring key holder and to also get this repaired. And somehow I thought, I don't know why I thought that even though this is such a simple job, it's literally just replacing the button, because the wallet is otherwise in perfect condition. Like, the wear and tear is like pretty much non-existent besides this button, you know. I somehow thought that this would last so long because I was like, okay, I'm not gonna be the first in line to get it repaired. So even though it's simple, I'm sure there are other people who have left their items to get repaired. I wasn't really sure how it worked, but the thing is, guess what? This was repaired the next day. I was genuinely shocked. They sent me an email, they sent me a text message telling me, you know, that it's been repaired and I can pick it up. I went to pick it up, and also what I forgot to mention is that they have clearly realized that also having a leather button on the outside is not a great idea, because now this is how they are making this coin purse, only with the metal gold button. If you go to the website or the store and you want to buy it now, you can still buy it like it's a standard style, but they're not making it with the pink leather or whatever leather button anymore. They're only making it with the gold button. Even the woman at the store, the sales assistant, who was very nice, who was helping me, was saying like, oh yeah, we've figured out that it has too many problems, so now we're just making it with the gold button, so it will be replaced with the metal button. And I was like, great, even better, because I actually think this looks so nice and so chic with the metal gold button, and of course it's going to be more durable, so it makes perfect sense. But yeah, the customer service was so great at this store. It was absolutely incredible. They followed up several times, like after I even like picked it up, they followed up several times asking me, you know, if everything went well. Like they texted me, they were reaching out, like wanted to make sure everything was good. Like it's just crazy. Like I didn't expect this level of customer service. And at the store, everyone was so nice. Also, this store is not too busy. The only other two Louis Vuitton stores I've been to is the London one, where I bought this Rosalie coin purse, and the Vienna one, and those stores are so busy. They are huge also, and they are constantly, I don't understand how that's possible. It's like they're selling bread there or something, and not like designer bags, but those stores are packed constantly. And this one in Brussels was not busy at all. You know, they assigned a sales assistant to me so fast when I came there, and again, repairs were fast, like everything is fast. And the store is beautiful, by the way. It's not as big as, of course, like the London one, for example, or the Vienna one, but it's still a couple stories high, and it's beautiful. Like they had everything that you can imagine there. So if you're in Brussels and you want to shop Louis Vuitton, definitely check out this store, because the service is amazing, it's fast, it's efficient, it's not crazy busy, at least not the 2 times that I was there now. So yeah, great experience. Okay, and so now for the key holder, which is what I wanted to buy on this trip. Full disclosure, I did already unbox this because I wanted to film a TikTok. So if you want to see like an actual unboxing of the bow and everything, you can find it on my TikTok. It will be linked down below, no problems. So it comes with, of course, the receipt, as you know, and with a little authenticity thingy. And I just love their ribbons also. It's like so cute. Let's see the key holder. This is it. This never gets old. So here it is. Look how matchy this will be now with my Rosalie, because now they both have gold buttons, so how chic. I don't know, guys, I just can't get over the LV monogram canvas. I just love it. I don't know how to explain it to you, but to me this is like the chicest thing ever. The monogram canvas, like bags and SLGs specifically, it's just so chic. I don't know what to tell you. So this one has the classic brown leather on the inside, unlike my Rosalie, which has the fuchsia one. But yeah, it's just, you know, your regular key holder with it's like for 4 keys. I mean, I think if you have like those like classic slim keys, you can probably fit maybe even like 2 on one of them. I think I literally have 4 keys that I need to carry around on a daily basis. So this is perfect. I really didn't need a 6 ring one, because I do mostly wear like small bags. So it's just like a bigger item to have in your bag, and it's just not necessary. I don't really have like 6 keys that I need on a daily basis. So yeah, this is the details of it. Just so beautiful, like such a chic little thing to have in your bag, and to, you know, just pull it out. And again, because I do have the Rosalie, I can tell you that like the monogram canvas is just like so good. It's like the wear and tear is non-existent after I used it for like 2+ years in my bags every single day, and opened and closed it. Like there's no cracks, no problems, not on the canvas or the leather on the inside. It's such a good investment. It really is, if you're into, you know, your luxury SLGs. But yeah, so this is it. Again, huge recommendations for the LV Brussels store. It's just incredible. You know, the service was so good that this is the kind of thing that I want. You know, if you're buying a luxury item, you want to have luxury experience, pretty much. Like you want to have that kind of special attention and special assistance, because that's not something you're gonna get, you know, at like Zara or something. So if you are investing in something, of course everyone would want to have that kind of experience, and this is just, yeah, a great store. Like everyone who was working there that I was in contact with was so nice and helpful, and again, they were really attentive, and they were, you know, checking in with the whole process of this getting fixed, even though it was literally 1 day. but it was like even afterwards, you know, sending me if everything was okay, and you know, if I'm there again they can help me. And they sent me, you know, even to fill out that like customer satisfaction thing, which I actually did because I was so, you know, happy with the service. So yeah, that was my little experience. And they had like such great things in the store. They really did. Like they had even some of the denim collection, like the clothing, and also like a couple of denim bags, which is so beautiful. Like, oh my god, like it's, the denim bags are insane. And they also had like the classics, the Alma BB and the Speedy 25 and the Nano Speedy, and like they just had everything in that store. My dream like classic bag from LV is like either an Alma BB or Speedy 25. I think especially Speedy 25. I think that would be like the most useful bag to have like ever. It's just so cute and so useful and like the perfect size. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make sure to, you know, hit the like button and subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and come back for more, because there will be a lot more coming, a lot more fashion and beauty and all things beautiful, as I like to say. And catch you soon. Bye.